Creating a new spreadsheet. To create a new spreadsheet plays the vital role in the Microsoft Excel. Here is the already designed spreadsheet. As you can see, here I'm starting right in the upper corner of the screen itself. I did not actually want any type of column heading to appear above from 1, so I left cell A1 empty. Notice there is not any blank space above the columns and also next to the row. This is essential as Excel allows to move the margins, put in my headers and footers with the help of Print Preview. Another thing of which I have to be sure about putting in all the data before actually formatting. This is useful for the clarity of the user. Notice on the ribbon under the Home section, we can see here basic formatting features. Here, if I want my months in another color, I simply go to the font and click on pull down arrow, which indicates the color that is going to be used. Notice I will go for red for the months, and if I want it in bold, I can do that. Same thing I can do with total. I choose Format Paintbrush here and go the total line. So you can see here that it has now automatically put on the same format. Another feature is it has the ability to put top and double bottom borders. So I can choose that and deselect by actually clicking on a blank cell outside the data. So there is our bottom border on. Now, it is essential to establish the clarity of the spreadsheet for the user itself. Once I develop the spreadsheet, I can add some color in the background. Notice here, let's highlight the total to 65. To do so, simply click in the first cell and hold and drag it to the end till you want. Then go to the paint can, which is automatically comes up with some theme colors. So I can choose color for the background. Another thing which is essential to remember is the actual size of the fonts. Notice I am going to select this entire spreadsheet and go up to the ribbon. There you can see the font style Arial and font size. Here if you go for the smaller fonts like 9 or 8, it may be seen on the screen, but it is unable to read on a printed page. So you have to take care of that. I can get the bigger fonts also, like 10, 11, 12, etc. You have to be sure about what should be the font style. It should not be too artistic as it could be unable to read properly for others. So it should be simple, nice, readable font that has been used consistently throughout the data content.